Welcome to Factory Process. See how everything is made. Stay with us throughout the process.
Section 6. The clarified milk enters a standardization station where cream separation occurs.
The standardized milk flows into a massive pasteurization unit, heating to 85 degrees Celsius to eliminate harmful bacteria.
The cooled, pasteurized milk flows into a homogenization chamber.
In the blending area, sugar is precisely measured and poured into hoppers, alongside milk powder and stabilizers.
Standards. Small measured quantities of stabilizers and emulsifiers are added from precisely weighed containers. The pasteurized mixture immediately enters another plate heat exchanger, this one larger than the first. The dark ingredients swirl into the white base, gradually transforming it to rich brown. A mechanical mixer ensures complete distribution. The cooked strawberry mixture is rapidly cooled. Once at proper temperature, it's transferred to holding tanks.
Section 24.
For vanilla ice cream, measured amounts of pure vanilla extract are injected into the freezing mixture.
Transcription. For chocolate chip ice cream production, a vibrating hopper above the continuous freezer releases a steady
The freshly frozen soft ice cream exits the continuous freezer at -6 degrees Celsius, with a smooth, creamy consistency.
Transcription. A date coding machine prints production date, best before date, and batch number on each container's lid using food-safe ink.
Section 35. The sealed, coated ice cream containers enter a hardening tunnel. A long conveyor belt.
These containers are frozen solid. Product temperature is -25 Celsius.
All right, this batch looks good. Swirl pattern is consistent.
Section 38. Approved containers proceed to a weight-checking station, where each one passes over a precision scale.
Section 39. The ice cream containers are organized into groups on the conveyor for case packing.
Production date, batch number, flavor, and expiration date.
Section 42. Cases of ice cream travel on a conveyor toward the palletizing area. A worker diverts cases by flavor onto separate conveyor lanes.
Once a pallet is fully stacked with 60 cases, it automatically moves to a stretch wrapping station. Section 49.
Proper temperature maintained for ice cream transport.
Door secure, seal is on.
Got it. Paperwork's almost done. Ready to roll.
The freezer display looks fully stocked and appealing to customers. Section 59.
Here is the final product, ready for you to enjoy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more factory process videos.